The plasma membrane, often referred to as the cell membrane, is a biological membrane that separates the interior of all cells from the outside environment. It is the outermost layer of the cell in most organisms and is involved in a variety of cellular processes such as cell communication and the transportation of molecules in and out of the cell. The plasma membrane is primarily composed of a double layer of phospholipids, proteins, and cholesterol. The phospholipids have a hydrophilic, water-attracting head and two hydrophobic, water-repelling tails, which orient themselves to form the lipid bilayer. Proteins within the membrane serve various functions, including transporting substances and communicating signals. Cholesterol molecules interspersed among the phospholipids add fluidity and stability to the membrane. The main function of the plasma membrane is to protect the cell from its surroundings. It controls the movement of substances in and out of cells and organelles. In this way, it is selectively permeable to ions and organic molecules and regulates the movement of substances by passive or active transport. The structure of the plasma membrane is often described by the fluid mosaic model, which portrays it as a mosaic of components, including phospholipids, cholesterol, proteins, and carbohydrates, that gives the membrane a fluid character. The proteins and lipids are free to move sideways within the layer, akin to icebergs floating in the sea. The plasma membrane is also involved in cell signaling and signal transduction, which is important for cells to process information from their surroundings and react to it. Membrane proteins transmit signals between the cell's internal and external environments. Maintaining homeostasis, the plasma membrane is dynamic and constantly in flux while controlling the cell's balance of electrolytes and other substances. It allows cells to maintain a stable internal environment, vital for proper cellular function. In addition, the plasma membrane is integral in the mechanics of energy transfer and the conduction of electrical currents, which is particularly important in nerve cells. It also provides a surface for enzymatic reactions to occur. Finally, the plasma membrane plays a critical role in cell adhesion, enabling cells to adhere to each other and to their surrounding framework, which is essential for the formation of tissues and organs.